Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
How do you know that's fast enough?
Just give it a minute or two to find. Yeah, yeah.
Don't be
Right.
joking.
It's all right,
Oh,
grab that.
me grab that, is it
We'll
not?
go, yeah, it's alright, that's safe to grab. We'll go to that anvil.
To that way, yeah.
Pop it over the edge. Push the edge with the hammer. Like that. On down. Stop. Stop. Now drag it.
Nothing straight.
Down. Alright. Stop. Now in the back.
Wanna try?
Keep going. No. Stop. Not that way down flat.
Useless. Absolutely useless.
A bit there.
There's nobody with
All of it.
skill.
That end
And
there.
that one.
We're teaching people have zero skills on that.
There we go.
Wanna try?
Back in fire now.
Okay.
Just look watching.
Yeah.
Shots all the time.
Just careful with
Get the eye properly.
Yeah.
Does that not have to be a certain temperature?
Yeah. Yeah, a bit hot. Go back over the candle. Same again on the horn end this time.
Right.
Ready? You go that way. Knock that down. Hit down there.
That one?
Yeah, keep going down. Just keep it in the same spot down. Hit there. Down. Down. There we go. Stop. Flat on that. There we go. Get another heat. Finish petrol. Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit off there, a little bit.
Quite good,
And
that.
you're gonna slap the hammer down. Like a semester. And then we'll do Yeah?
Got 8. Ready again? Straight down. That's it. Straight down. Flat. Go.
That's what?
That's flat. Stop. Just one there. That'll do. Got a hook. We'll put a little twist in it now. You put your hammer down.
How do you do that?
What we're going to do, we'll pop it in there,
Yeah.
and then using it.
Okay, so no something that. So what's this for? To
Just it, yeah.
Now, you can see we cannot hammer that point. We're gonna
Put that on there. Like that. Give it a twist. Go on, twist it round. Both hands. There you go. Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more, tiny bit. Go on, stop there.
How would it snap if you carried on?
It would eventually, yeah.
Because there's a lot of light. Like I said. Like this. Okay, I'm just up a little bit. Yeah, now I'm straight. Going. Down. Down. That's metal. With the side. Yeah.
Look at that.
What we're gonna do now is banding. But when we do banding, we'll use the same unit on the front, but in the old mode. We're gonna hold down this
Gates,
unit, like this on the bottom,
sculptures,
little
hammers,
bit,
tongs,
like this,
tools of all
and
descriptions.
then we just
Tools.
Tools.
hammer it,
Oh,
bring
tools.
it down,
Them tools.
and then
Loads of
pull
tools.
it down. Like so, yeah. Yeah. Have it? Back on the fire. Yeah.
Hardest whacking this time.
The what?
Hardest whacking.
Right.
You want to whack about half on the anvil and half off the anvil.
Right.
Yeah?
Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go on.
About there.
Yeah, about there. Keep whacking. Keep going, ignore that. Hit more. I'll do. And we'll get another heat, we'll do it again.
Oh, too hard that for one hand.
Lower down the wall. Yeah, you're up your knee next.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm a woman.
Hammer down. That's it. Because this is making a sound. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Stop.
Now, do.
Now, in that position,
That.
we're gonna go
So we're going to punch a little hole in it for you now so you can hang it up.
Oh, thank you.